G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and today, well, this might not be the video you're hoping for, and I just want to do a bit of an explanation because what we're due for, it's the part 2 review of the SkyStars Skylord. I really felt like this thing was a wizard killer. I really liked it for the original price of $154 or whatever it is, but you're not going to see that video unless two things happen, or one of two things. Either number one, you're a Patreon supporter, and that video will be up on my Patreon. You can go watch that. It's going to be an unlisted video. Thank you so much for your support and the content I make. You guys support it so much, so you can go and watch that video. Or number two, the only other way I'm going to push publish on my video is if we can get that original price back down to sort of what it was going to be, around the 154, 159 mark, so around there. And if that happens, well, hopefully we can put enough pressure on GearBest, the price will come back down, and then you guys can see the part 2 video. So anyway, that's it for today. Hopefully coming up soon, the price does drop, because look, I want to show people what this is like, but I kind of feel I do want to make a bit of a stand up for you consumers out there, stand up for my viewers so they're not taken advantage of. I don't want price hikes like this to happen. I feel like it's a bit below the belt, but other than that, definitely subscribe for more FPV related action where hopefully this doesn't happen again, or we can send a strong message that we don't want this in our community. Subscribe for more FPV related content. Hit the thumbs up button if you if you support what I'm doing. Thumbs down if you disagree, and maybe look, you just really want to go and see that video. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters as well, and as always, happy flying.